had a competition, the Hmong Wasa Festival. You have to host a Blue Hmong Wasa Festival, Blue Mr. Hmong Royalty competition or pageant that this past year we had a winner, but due to some unforeseen allegations and everything, the Hmong American Center began our investigation into the process and was able to find out that we had to disqualify the first individuals, the first place individual from his title. So the Hmong American Center, along with the Hmong Wasa Festival Planning Committee, have decided to meet and actually ended up deciding that we are now going to be presenting the title to the first runner-up, otherwise known as Hyung Ya, who's here with us today, and then the first runner-up will then be given to Bei Sing, and the second runner-up will be given to Chisai. Today, we have members of the planning committee here, and also the advisors. But because of the weather and also because of the snowstorm that's coming up, we had to many of them are in the process of preparing for that storm. But we are honored to have Brad Cargo, who's the county administrator, otherwise known as the county executive, the opposite term, obviously, who's here with us today, who will be helping us do the presentation. So if Hyung, Bei Sing, and Chisai, if you three could come up here, please, that would be greatly appreciated. And Brad, I would love for you to come up here as well. So Brad, if you could stand here.
Okay.
And then Hyung, if you could just stand on the side here. You three could line up on the side here. Right here. Right there. Just line up on the side there. So we are very proud and we are very honored to be able to present the crown and sash to the new royalty court of this year. It is definitely our pleasure to be able to do this because do this and justify an error or a mistake that did indeed occur. So with that said, Brad, I would like for you to help me crown Hyung.
All right.
With that. So Hyung, if you could come and take a seat here, we'll do that.
Wow, that was cool.
Let's put this on you first, okay?
Add to your resume.
You never know what kind of experiences you're going to get around here, I'll tell you that. Let's see. You ready for this? I don't want to have it go down over your eyes. You good? Good on there? Okay.
And then facing. I want to make sure I gave you the right one, okay? I don't want to. Stand right here, and Brad, just step aside a little bit.
Okay.
So this will be the new court with Hyung as the new Mr. Hmong royalty, facing as the first prince, and Chisai as the second prince. If we could give them a round of applause, that would be great. And with that said, I know that you are here. The runner-up. If you can say in support of them, that would be greatly appreciated as well.
Well, this is my honor to be here with all of you and go up to the level. So congratulations to all of you. I'm going to speak for a little bit. So, because I share foundation for to say to more things. We are trying to make the shape of the two of them into training to be training. Don't share the room and more. Don't share the companies. Don't share the car or the issue of a pay looking to have a losers of the body to him. How many countries think to the way if how also to learn to hear. Pay in the little share. And so the losers of the pay looking how the membership to the little share. And country. เราขณะนั้นกูอยากให้ข้ารงเชื่อเดี๋ยวตะการสาวตรงรู้ใจ bây giờ tất cả là một pi đó bây lu festival bây giờ tao đây chia sẻ hai tiếng này sẽ là有多么给我的这个餐公共车bây giờ tao đây cái gì đó做以后的公共车也没到有主要了老的那些人多了餐多了的说的这中途多么给西餐也可能靠整件bây giờ我哋我自己bây主要我如果老动车了是但是得路有看到上路线上有没公道呗bây giờ tổng đầu路线上了要我的那些人家都讲产生了错误错误可能不车间的被路线上车间的路更好好那些人上在讨好那些人做度车身你讲都讲菜你讲committee 上的做度叫 sponsor 叫 advisor 叫 board ที่จะall subcommittees members นี่ work so hard แต่ผมว่าตัวเราเป็นภาพเป็นเราที่ความที่ every one of you work so hard to make things happen and make the summer festivals happen thank you so much thank you for every one of you doing a good job thank you so much and also thank you for all the sponsors thank you for the community leaders including counties, cities, and especially Brett, and also all the counties, supervisors and cities, councils and mayors, and all work together, especially mainly all the community and all the funders and sponsors to help the special event. Thank you so much. 罗里达了，接下来点呢，就是了要莫给讲登记，我路罗的无论几多，我都要当那个还要我当东西，所以要被他可能听到你说一声，好嘞 ，Thank you。
Brad, if you could say some words in support of the new court, that would be greatly appreciated as well.
First of all, I wish I knew what Long just said. I got a feeling I cover a lot of the same ground. But, the Summer Sports Festival is a huge success. I mean, it hasn't gotten to the point, and I'm sure you're going to talk about that today, where it raises as much money as it really should, and that needs to be the next step. But it does so much more than that. And there's so many events, the football, the soccer, all the various events. And they all look fun to me. The one thing that would scare me is being the event you guys were in. Holy cow! What a test! Did you know that when you signed up it was going to be like that? You had to have, huh? Talk about a real test in multiple areas of composure and talent and really courage. So I congratulate you, and you're all moving up a notch. Well, great, and good for you. The skills you learned here, the personal confidence you gained, nobody will ever be able to take that away from you. And that's what's going to be the most important thing you take away. And great festival, and you guys are the stars of it. Thank you.
Thank you. Còn rồi cái giấy tuyển bài sự được lúc mình nó các bác sĩ cả lúc sau xe đồ là lúc nước khoản nào đó.
Các bây giờ bạn có hai gia đình chơi sinh cái sự hai đấy cũng vậy thì quay cũng mong vào sản xuất ha cũng rồi sản xuất cái từ tu của thành cái tu rồi cái là tu rồng ná vậy cái đó trong mía tại mía mà phải sử dụng ngồi cái cha sao tại mía giờ tạt thì cho cái hành mông này cho cái gì rồi chạy nó trong trong mía nó cái thứ cho nó bớt bớt để cái nhỏ học thì mình cho cái gì bằng cái chúng ta nói cái rồi sẽ mía cho cái từ cái sai cho để mía cho cái sẽ là không cái sản phẩm cho cái tu chân sai cái này cho gì cái tu chân sai cái cha sao cái lúc này nhau chú cái nó cái sau sao cái cũng đau cái cái và miếng cái gì có cái hành mông rồi ôi ta hành mông rồi nhau cho cái nó rồi phụ sự cái hành mông này thảo thái mình phải tự được cái mê chẳng ví dụ nhau cho họ tự mình khi bây giờ tu chân sai có cái thật là sau sát cái nó còn lại lúc này rồi cái tôi cần như thế sau sát chúng
And obviously, we cannot end this without obviously words from our one of our biggest supporters, the Convention and Visitor Bureau. So Nick, if you could say a few words in support as well, that would be great.
Yeah, well, on behalf of the Wausau Central Wisconsin Convention and Visitors Bureau, congratulations, guys. I know you put a lot of time and planning and effort and practice into the competition. So again, on behalf of us, congratulations. The festival itself is a great opportunity to bring visitors and travelers into the Wausau area and showcase what Wausau and our surrounding communities have to offer. And you know, the Mr. Hmong competition is one of the special events of the weekend with all the sporting events as well and stuff. And thank you for letting the diversity and the culture and everyone outside of the Hmong area here come in and be able to witness your guys' talents. So again, congratulations, and look forward to this upcoming Summers Festival as well.
And with that said, if the court is interested in saying anything, this time would be open up to you guys to say anything. But so if Hyung, if you want to, if there's anything you want to say, anybody you want to thank, if time is yours.
Okay, well, first of all, as I've said before, I would like to thank my parents and my family for supporting me throughout this whole event. And this is what I'm about to say now is specifically for Chinu Tom. And if you see this, hopefully you don't have any bad feelings towards this. You know, because of this event, we weren't really prepared for it. But now that we've been given the responsibility for this pageant, this sport, hopefully there are no bad feelings between us and the rest of the guys.
Well, first off, I would like to thank the Hmong Wausau and the whole entire community for graduating us for the step up. It is our duty. Whatever happened during the competition, or we all still remain as friends, and we'll definitely continue on and carry on the royalty projects in the next future. And thank you all so much.
Hi. I may have a lot to say, but then I'm not gonna say a lot. First of all, I'd like to thank the Hmong Wausau Festival community. As I've stated when I first started this pageant, I've told all of my pageant brothers here that even though we may not be blood related, this pageant made us brothers, and I will always stand with you guys. Second, I would like to thank my brother, which is here today. He's always been there for me, and through everything, he always gave me advices. And the next person I would like to thank would be my personal trainer, Luya. He was former Prince Charming in 2017, and when I was given the opportunity to hold the title as second runner-up, I asked for him for some personal advices. And one thing that he told me was, I'm a person where I'm big-hearted, and I like to share my love and help with the community. He told me, being the person who you are doesn't define the title that you hold. If you're doing something, do it from your heart. Always show love and respect for everyone around you. And for Chinu, even though you may not hold the title anymore, I want to let you know that you will always be one of my royalty brothers. And like how we chanted our last time at the tournament, royalty forever. And that's all I have to say.
Well, thank you, you three. We, on behalf of the Hmong American Center, on behalf of the local Hmong, of the Hmong population of Marathon County here, we are very excited, and we look forward to what projects and what efforts you guys are going to do. We have very great faith that you guys will represent the Hmong American Center, the Hmong Wausau Festival, and everybody in Central Wisconsin here well. So congratulations and good luck in the rest of this year. So if anybody wants pictures, feel free to take pictures with